You are likely leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single time you travel, shop, or even when your car breaks down on the side of the road, and it is all because of a tiny word printed on your credit card that you have been completely ignoring. Most people think their credit card is just a simple piece of plastic used for making payments and maybe earning a little bit of cash back. But if your card has the words Visa signature printed on it, you actually have a secret team of professional concierges, insurance agents, and luxury travel experts working for you 24 hours a day without you ever paying a single extra cent in fees. In this video, we are going to pull back the curtain on the massive world of hidden Visa signature benefits to show you exactly how to claim what is rightfully yours and how to turn your everyday spending into a high-end experience. Before we dive into the deep end of these incredible perks, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you never miss out on these essential financial hacks that can save you a fortune. Also, I want you to head down to the comments right now and leave a message with the word signature if you have ever actually used one of these benefits before, or if you just realized you have had them this whole time. I would love to hear your stories and see how much value you are getting out of your wallet. The biggest challenge most of us face is what I call value blindness, where we pay for things like rental car insurance, extended warranties, or travel protection out of our own pockets because we simply do not realize that our credit card provider has already covered those costs for us. Imagine standing at a rental car counter and being pressured into paying $30 a day for insurance when you already have coverage that could protect a vehicle worth up to the actual cash value of the car. Or think about the frustration of a flight being delayed for 12 hours, forcing you to pay for an expensive hotel and dinner when your card could have reimbursed you for those exact expenses. We are going to solve that problem today by exploring the 3 distinct tiers of Visa cards and focusing specifically on the middle tier that offers the best balance of accessibility and luxury. To understand where you stand, you first need to know that Visa offers 3 levels of consumer cards: Visa Traditional, Visa Signature, and Visa Infinite. While the traditional tier covers the basics like zero fraud liability and emergency card replacement, the signature tier is where things get interesting because it is designed for people who want premium rewards and next-level experiences. Usually, a Visa signature card comes with a minimum credit limit of $5,000, which is a great indicator of the level of trust and service you can expect. If your card has this label, you are essentially carrying a membership to an exclusive club that provides protection and perks that the average person has to pay for separately. Let's start with one of the most powerful but misunderstood benefits: the auto rental collision damage waiver. This is a game changer for anyone who travels. When you use your eligible Visa signature card to initiate and complete your entire car rental transaction, and you decline the collision damage waiver offered by the rental company, you are protected against theft or collision damage. In many cases, this coverage can reimburse you up to the actual cash value of most rented cars. However, you need to be careful because this benefit is often secondary to your personal auto insurance within your home country, meaning it covers your deductible and other charges your primary insurance won't touch. But here is the pro tip. If you are renting a car outside of your country of residence, or if you do not have personal auto insurance at all, this benefit can act as primary coverage, saving you a massive headache and potentially thousands of dollars in the event of an accident. You also need to know which cars are actually covered. While most standard passenger cars, minivans, and SUVs are included, the fine print excludes expensive, exotic, and antique cars. So, if you are planning to rent a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, or a Tesla, your Visa signature coverage likely won't apply. However, selected models from luxury brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Cadillac, and Lexus are often covered. Just remember that the rental period cannot exceed 31 consecutive days, so if you are planning a long-term road trip, you need to keep that time frame in mind to stay protected. Now, let's talk about turning your travel into a luxury experience through the Visa Signature Luxury Hotel Collection. This is a hand-selected portfolio of over 900 prestigious properties worldwide, including famous brands like Peninsula and Park Hyatt. When you book your stay through this collection using your card, you get 7 premium benefits that make you feel like a true VIP. This includes a best available rate guarantee and an automatic room upgrade upon arrival when it is available. You also get complimentary in-room Wi-Fi, a late checkout upon request, and a $25 food or beverage credit. But the real highlight is the complimentary breakfast for 2 every single morning of your stay. When you add up the value of these perks, especially at high-end resorts, you are looking at hundreds of dollars in added value for a stay you were going to book anyway. If you ever feel overwhelmed by planning your life, the Visa Signature Concierge is like having a personal assistant in your pocket 24 hours a day. Whether you need help finding the perfect gift, securing reservations at a restaurant that seems fully booked, or getting tickets to a sold-out concert, these professionals are there to do the legwork for you. While you are responsible for the actual cost of any goods or services they buy on your behalf, the service itself is completely complimentary for cardholders. Most tasks are completed within 24 to 48 hours, allowing you to save time and focus on enjoying your life while someone else handles the logistics. For the adventurous souls, travel disruptions are a reality, but they don't have to be a disaster. The lost luggage reimbursement benefit is a lifesaver when an airline loses your bags. If your checked or carry-on luggage is lost due to theft or misdirection by a common carrier, you can be reimbursed for the difference between the value of your claim and what the airline pays you, often up to a limit of $3,000 or even $5,000 depending on your specific card issuer. This covers the original purchase price, the actual cash value, or the cost to replace your items. Just make sure you notify the benefit administrator within 20 days of the incident to keep your claim valid. Then there is the trip delay reimbursement. If you are stuck at the airport for more than 12 hours due to equipment failure, bad weather, or even a strike, your card can reimburse you for reasonable additional expenses like meals and lodging up to $300 per ticket. This takes the sting out of a long delay and allows you to wait in comfort rather than on a hard airport bench. Similarly, if you have to cancel or interrupt your trip due to a covered reason, like a medical emergency, the trip cancellation and interruption benefit can help reimburse you for the non-refundable cost of your passenger fare up to $5,000. This applies to air travel, but also to ferries, rails, buses, and cruise ships. Even when you are not traveling, your Visa Signature card is looking out for you with powerful shopping protections. One of the best ones is the extended warranty protection. When you buy an eligible item with your card, this benefit can double the term of the manufacturer's warranty for up to 1 additional year on warranties that are 3 years or less. Think about that for a second. If you buy a new laptop or a high-end appliance with a 1-year warranty, your card could effectively give you 2 years of protection for free. Additionally, purchase security can safeguard your new items against theft or damage within the first 90 days of purchase. If that new smartphone you just bought gets stolen or accidentally broken, you might be able to get it repaired or replaced through your card's benefits. We also have to mention the roadside dispatch program. This is a pay-per-use service that provides security and convenience wherever your travels take you in the United States and Canada. For a pre-negotiated flat fee, which is typically around $7,995 at the time of recording this video, you get access to a service call that includes standard towing up to 5 miles, tire changing if you have a good spare, jump starting your battery, lockout service, and even fuel delivery of up to 5 gallons plus the cost of the gas. There is no membership fee and no limit on how often you can use it, making it a fantastic alternative to traditional roadside assistance programs if you don't want to pay a yearly subscription. For those who prioritize speed and convenience at the airport, some Visa signature cards offer a global entry statement credit. If you apply for Global Entry, which is a program that allows for expedited clearance for pre-approved low-risk travelers, you can use your card to pay the $120 application fee and receive a $120 statement credit. This essentially makes the program free for you, allowing you to breeze through customs and enjoy a much smoother travel experience. As we reach the climax of our exploration, the most important thing you need to realize is that while Visa provides the network and the baseline for these benefits, the actual bank that issued your card, whether it is Chase, Capital One, or a local credit union, has the final say on which of these perks are included in your specific card. This is why you must check your specific guide to benefits. Some issuers go above and beyond, adding things like cell phone protection, which can reimburse you if your phone is stolen or damaged, as long as you pay your monthly bill with the card. Others might offer price protection or return protection, giving you even more ways to save money and shop with confidence. In summary, a Visa signature card is not just a tool for debt. It is a comprehensive insurance policy and a luxury travel membership rolled into one. From the peace of mind of rental car coverage and trip delay protection, to the high-end perks of the luxury hotel collection and the convenience of a 24/7 concierge, the value built into these cards is staggering. By understanding and using these benefits, you can save thousands of dollars and significantly upgrade your lifestyle without changing your spending habits. The current year is the perfect time to audit your wallet. Go find your credit card right now, look for that Visa signature logo, and then log into your bank's website to download your guide to benefits. You might be surprised to find that you have been sitting on a goldmine of perks this whole time. Don't let another trip or major purchase go by without the protection you have already earned. If you found this deep dive helpful, please share this video with a friend who needs to stop overpaying for insurance and start living the signature life. Take control of your benefits today.